Hey everyone, I'm Rosie and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna collage on a wood slab. Hold up. Rosie from the future here. So I thought I was going to use this wood piece, and I had this picture of this sailboat that I wanted to use, but then I ended up finding a different picture that I liked better with the sailboat, and I completely forgot about the wood piece, but I had already filmed this whole intro about it. Anyway, we're not gonna use the wood today. We'll use that some other video, but let's get into what I did end up making. So I thought that sailboat image was going to work really well on the wood slab until I found this picture of the sausage or kielbasa dish in this barbecue book. And once I saw it, I just knew I had to make the sailboat sail between these sausages. And I really thought the colors were going to work together and the size was right. So I just knew I had to go down this path and abandon the wood slice. I think these two images work so well together. We have this crisp blue from the sailboat scene. In contrast, we have this very red, what is this, a kielbasa dish? Together, they just look so cool. And I am really in love with this piece. Let's see what else we can make. So I tried a few different images of things that might work in this tinfoil pouch, but I think this computer guy is probably the best of the bunch. It's still not maybe my favorite because it really doesn't make a whole lot of sense. At least with the sailboat piece, it is a sort of liquidy dish that was getting replaced with water. This is, something that was getting cooked on a grill and now it's a guy on a computer. Really doesn't make a whole lot of sense, but I do kind of, in terms of the composition, I think they work well together. So I'm gonna keep this for now, and if we stumble upon a different image that might work better for this, as we're working on a different piece, we will revisit it, but I think for right now, we will move on to the next one. I've always really loved this image of kebabs ever since I first saw it a couple weeks ago, and I think it would be really fun if we could find a picture of someone jousting or fencing or maybe even just using swords, two people fighting, and we replace the, fencing sword or whatever with one of these kebabs. That would be so funny. Let's just see if we can find any image that might work like that. Yes, exactly this. Actually, I remember now pulling this out because I thought I was going to use it for something else, but I'm glad I didn't because these people are going to get paired with kebabs for sure. I have my two fencers here and I got my kebabs. I also have a decent sized piece of paper. I hope that this is large enough for all our elements because these are these are really long kebabs. Oh my God, they're so long. I guess the one thing about this fencing image was their swords were sort of close together and I would like their kebabs to be further apart. So I'm hoping I can figure out a way that they're not sort of overlapping each other. Okay, I mean, that is pretty good. I think I might chop this guy's arm off so I can change the angle that he's holding the sword. And I think I can hide it under his body. I just think that that would give us more flexibility. Let's try to find them aground, and that might help the rest of the scene come together. I'm not sure. I think the background we have here is helping a lot with giving this sort of context. I also think the angles of the kebabs are pretty good. I do think that now we need a sky, I guess, since I have this now full background. And we're not going to use all of this. We're going to chop it off probably around here. But I guess we do need a sky now. Do we want to do something fun with the sky? Like maybe a space theme or maybe a dramatic sun? No, probably not. We should probably keep it simple, but I guess it depends on what I find. I found this pretty dramatic sky with this lightning bolt. Do we think that that's a good fit for this? Or maybe that's too dramatic. I don't know. So I'm having trouble finding other wide skies, so I did pull out this dramatic sky just to see what it would look like, because maybe it will look great. I'm not sure. I'm digging this pretty dramatic sky. I will say the transition between the sky and the mountains is a little bit not great, but I think that it's okay. And I do like how the kebabs are popping off the dark background. So I think that having a sky really makes this feel like a more complete piece. So I'm into it. We made 3 really fun food collages today, and I love them all, but this kebab sword fight is so good. I love how large the collage ended up being. I love the scale of the images. It's just really big and really fun, and the kebabs are just so funny. So anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next week for another collage video. Bye.